ladies and gentlemen, my fellow life learners, motivation seekers, and self-improvers. Welcome to my channel, where you, the motivation seekers, can find your daily motivation. If you are new here, consider subscribing, like the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the notification of upcoming motivations. Also, share your thoughts in the comment section about today's topic and what you have learned from it. Now, let's get into the video. Today, I want to talk to you about a common emotion that we all experience at some point in our lives, and that is worry. Worry can be a powerful force capable of holding us back from our fullest potential and preventing us from experiencing the joy and success that life has to offer. But I'm here to tell you that it doesn't have to be that way. Worry is a natural response to the uncertainties and challenges that life throws at us. It's a signal from our minds and bodies that something is amiss, that we're facing a problem that needs to be solved. Worry can be a valuable tool when it prompts us to take action and make necessary changes in our lives. However, when it becomes excessive and overwhelming, it can paralyze us and keep us from moving forward. The truth is, excessive worry rarely solves anything. In fact, it often exacerbates the problems we're concerned about. It drains our energy, hampers our decision-making abilities, and worst of all, steals precious moments of our lives that we can never get back. Worries could be of two types: productive worries and unproductive worries, which differ in how they impact our lives and the actions they prompt. Let's explore the distinctions between these two types of worries. First, talk about productive worries, like how are they different and impact our lives. 1. Motivating action. Productive worries often lead to action. When you're genuinely concerned about something, it can prompt you to take steps to address the issue. For example, if you're worried about a work deadline, that worry can motivate you to complete the task on time. 2. Problem-solving. Productive worries encourage problem-solving. They make you think about potential solutions and strategies to overcome the issue causing your concern. This problem-solving mindset can lead to constructive outcomes. 3. Temporary. These worries are often short-lived. Once you've taken action and resolved the problem or mitigated the issue, the worry tends to subside. 4. Realistic and proportional. Productive worries are typically grounded in reality and are proportional to the situation. They're a reasonable response to a genuine problem or challenge. Unproductive worries are different from productive worries in how they influence our lives. 1. Paralyzing and debilitating. Unproductive worries tend to immobilize you. They can leave you feeling overwhelmed, anxious, and unable to take action. You may find it challenging to concentrate on anything else. 2. Rumination. Unproductive worries involve repetitive and circular thinking. You may obsessively think about the same concerns without making any progress towards solutions. 3. Long-lasting. These worries often persist for an extended period even when there is no active problem to solve. They can become chronic and affect your overall well-being. 4. Irrational or disproportional. Unproductive worries are often based on irrational or exaggerated fears. They might not be directly related to real-life issues, or they blow problems out of proportions. 5. Negative impact. Unproductive worries can have a detrimental effect on your mental and physical health, relationships, and overall quality of life. They may lead to stress, anxiety, and even physical symptoms. 6. What-if scenarios. Unproductive worries are filled with what-if scenarios that often lead to catastrophic thinking. This type of thinking can make the worries seem insurmountable. So, how can we conquer worry and make it our ally rather than our enemy? First, acknowledge your worry. The first step to overcoming worry is to recognize it. Be honest with yourself about what is causing your concern. Often, putting your worries into words can make them seem less daunting. Learn to differentiate between productive and unproductive worry. Not all worry is created equal. Some worry can be productive as it motivates us to take action and solve problems. However, much of our worry is unproductive and only serves to paralyze us. Learn to distinguish between the two. Take action. If your worry is grounded in a real issue, take constructive steps to address it. Proactive problem solving can help alleviate your concerns. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness and meditation can help you stay present in the moment, rather than ruminating on past regrets or fearing future events. These practices can reduce anxiety and help you manage worry. Embrace uncertainty. Life is inherently uncertain, and we cannot control every outcome. Embracing this fact and learning to be comfortable with uncertainty is a powerful way to reduce worry. Focus on positivity. Replace negative thoughts with positive ones. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude and focus on the good in your life. Positive thinking can help counteract worry. Last but not least, seek support sometimes. Talking to a trusted friend, family member, or therapist can help you gain perspective and alleviate your worries. Don't be afraid to lean on others when you need to. Remember, worry is a natural human emotion, but it doesn't have to rule your life. It's within your power to conquer it, to transform it from a stumbling block into a stepping stone towards a brighter future. Every great accomplishment in the world was achieved by people who faced uncertainty and fear and overcame them. You have that same power within you. So today I encourage you to acknowledge your worries, but don't let them hold you back. Take those concerns and use them as fuel for your journey. Face your fears with courage and determination, and watch as you break free from the shackles of worry and step into a life filled with possibility, joy, and success. The only thing holding you back is the worry itself. Embrace your potential, for you are stronger than you know.